Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. So just about to take you on a short walk around tour of the Swift Basecamp 2 2022. An extremely popular model since launching in 2017-18 and has continued to be a very popular two-berth unique caravan. So here's a good look at the front of this Basecamp 2. So a real iconic finish with that wonderfully large front window. Generous sized front locker box in there, which is where located is your spare wheel tucked in on the left hand side. Right hand side you've got space for two 6 kg gas bottles, and down here is your main hitch. One of the changes I've noted for Basecamps this year as well is the Alco stabiliser handle has now been fitted on the 2022 models, whereas in 2021 and backwards it was simply only the trailer hitch. So coming down the side of the caravan you've got the wonderful Basecamp 2 decals that you see down the side there. On the side here you've got your electric hookup point, you have got your water inlet there, and you've also got an exterior shower point as well for a cold water exterior shower. Toilet cassette located there. So coming down the back you've got a wonderful finish on the back with the Swift Basecamp logo and the large window in the rear door. And opposite side you've got an exterior 240 volt socket here, and down the front of the caravan you've got an exterior barbecue point. So let's go on in and have a look inside and see what the Basecamp 2 internally has got to offer. So generous sized front couches that you see here, which convert up into a double bed should you need it. You've got a short lift up table at the front there, and also on all of the windows you've got the pleated blinds that you see here, and also you've got your fly nets that you see here as well. One of the other great and unique features as well, down the bottom here you have got fixing points. So if you wanted to put your bikes inside here, you've got anchor points underneath the front couch area to be able to slot your bikes in should you wish. Down here in the kitchen area you've got USB ports and also a 240 volt socket, and here you've got a pull-up extension lead which just simply drops down with the clip and tucks away nicely, so you can stow that away quite nicely. Generous size under counter fridge, and you have an oven with a 3 gas hob burner on top with pan storage located underneath. It's a whale blown air heating system which is controlled by this control panel here, and then your other main control centre is located here. You have got a television point on the side here, because in this cupboard here you've got a multi-directional aerial, and you note here that there is space on here to affix a television bracket. However, they don't come standard in the 2022 Swift range, so if you do want a television bracket, our accessory shop will be more than happy to help you with that, and also help you with arranging to get fitting through our workshop. One of the other great features of the Basecamp is these little baskets. So you'll see here that these baskets clip out, so you can clip them out, take them out, fill them up inside with all of your amenities, and then with these rails here just simply drop them back in again, slide it back, lift the front section, clip that in, clip the one back, and you've got your basket back in place, and also an easy usable zip there for access to the front of these pouches. So 2 located on the left, and you've got 1 located on the right hand side as well. So your shower area, so you've got a full working sink, individual shower, so it's a combination wet room with your toilet located there. You've also got some storage above and an LED strip light at the back there, with a medium-sized Hecky in the bathroom, just giving sufficient amount of space and light. So that gives you a short and brief feel of what the 2022 Basecamp 2 has to offer. If you've got any queries or questions, please feel free to contact our friendly sales team here at Grantham, and we'd be more than happy to help you. These will sell out quickly, as they have done every year for the last 3 years. So if it is a caravan for you, please don't waste any time in getting your inquiry in, and we'd be more than happy to help you. Thanks very much. Bye bye now.